So once we've walked through all of the program steps and we're back to our idle screen, we want to set a delay on this. We're going to actually click the menu option. Now the first time you click it, it's going to ask you if you wanted to set an alarm. We're going to hit menu one more time, and it's going to then take us to the delay spot. On delay, we're going to hit enter, and now it's going to ask us how long of a delay do we want to set. So for this, we'll set one for 2 hours, and then just simply hit enter, and it will turn the kiln on. Now you'll know your delay is set because it displays up there, and it will start counting down as the time goes.